What am I? God's answer is some form of peace. All pain is healed, all misery replaced with joy. All prison doors are open, and all sin is understood as merely a mistake. A mistake in understanding, and you will see that this mistake is so obvious as soon as you recall what it is the truth is. You see that every single time you made a judgment of separation, it has simply distorted what reality is and made it into something it's not. You see that liberation and illumination is in and through everything, recognizing that everyone is the Christ, and as it opens up, revealing to you, you're the eye of Christ. You see it, you experience it. No conceptual necessary. Maybe along the journey, faith, keep applying as if you still need forgiveness while you think you can't see it. And while you think you're blind to it, keep applying it, please. But in your reality, when you realize there's no more to forgive, you see Christ, and that is all you see, one with God for eternity. An ancient song that has always been sung, revealing itself in everything and everyone, everywhere. Your home, your reality, as familiar as your reality. You have nothing here that is as familiar as what that is. You see that when it opens, there is only God. There has always been only God. The perceiver and experiencer of it, that which is experienced, and that which it chooses to experience. You don't need to be lost anymore. You don't need to be forgotten anymore. You can if you want to. But you're ready, and you're free to discover your reality again. It's safe here in God. It's always been safe. As the ego mechanism has been designed to make it seem scary, make it seem like there's some sort of sacrifice and loss. It requires trust from the mind that believes there is loss. But in itself, it is one with God.